Hi guys, welcome to Lucaso. I'm here with another local story from Goa. There's a place called Blue we discovered yesterday. Meet Monica. Blue is the baby of Monica, and she kind of did everything here, like you can see. She painted everything. She came up with all the ideas of all the lights, and so the thing about Blue is that they serve you food and they don't charge you for that. I mean, can you ever imagine like that could ever happen? They have a donation box.
So this is my place and it's time to light my evening diya. We can spend for a while.
So we're gonna speak to Monica about this place, and we're gonna tell you more about how people are like doing what they always wanted to do, like out of the box and not a regular 9 to 5 job, and they're killing it and they're happy. They've explored happiness. क्या हुआ कि तुम लोग इधर आके घर लिया और उसको
Actually,
ऐसा बनाया और
I
खाना
want-
बना रहे हो तुम लोग फ्री में, वो भी मतलब क्या?
I'll tell you. 4 years in Goa. Before this, I was in Bombay and I came here. I was into theatre, blah blah blah, and I came here and I got introduced to psychedelic music and the psychedelic culture in Goa. I ended up learning DJing also. Then
Wow.
I was DJing around. But you know, a lot of exploration doesn't leave much in your hand. You know, a lot of things come at risk. So my whole idea is to provide as basic as food to people who are sort of exploring. You know, doing the right thing. You know, just as simple as cooking food and feeding people, and also giving them the choice to help themselves. You know, and then whatever they feel like they put in the box. So nobody is keeping an eye on them, how much they have put money, right? And I get time to learn music production. I get time to do sometimes theatre. Yeah, you can call it karma yoga. Really, you can call it.
But why did you come to Goa?
I came here for a week, man. 4 साल हो गए हैं. अभी तक तो एक हफ्ता खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So this whole idea, like how people say Goa chooses you, in a way it does. You know, it really does. I mean, you can choose to come here, but you cannot choose to leave.
To
this
leave,
place.
yeah. What is your favorite thing that you would like to do in Goa apart from what you do already?
I would like to make music, and you know, making music is a big responsibility. Blue is projection of my mind in a way, or projection of what I am. You know, after 4 years, something has manifested into reality, and this is me. So, one day I would like to make good music. I want people to listen to the music,
Yeah.
which is devoid of intoxication. And till I reach there, I would like to keep myself occupied in doing things like this and not find myself lost in Goa, which is very, very easy, you know.
Why did you name it Blue?
After I ended up painting it blue, and I was just painting this board, if you can see that board.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was like, okay, what should I write? What should I write? And I was with a very close friend of mine, Steve.
Yeah.
He's from Australia, a very important person in
Okay,
my life.
okay.
So I was about to write, okay, what do I write? Blue, and I write BLU, and there was no space for E.
Oh,
I
okay.
said, let's name it Blue, man.
Nice.
So let's name it Blue. It just came like that.
Do you guys break even, and did you guys run into crisis sometimes?
Financially, no. I mean, it was enough money because I don't spend a lot of money in cooking. I buy lentils, I buy
Yeah.
fresh vegetables. If it is running on its own, then I've just become a medium and I'm obliged to do it, you know.
Whatever. Even you came here for the first time and you have never left Goa. So what do you suggest for travelers?
I'm not a big person to actually advise anybody, but I would say just keep it balanced, you know. Just take care and go, I mean.
Take care in Goa. Okay.
Guys, thank you, and especially Wesley, thank you for putting me up on Locaso, and great help. People got to know about my views.
So Monica, like you've been here since 5 years and you have seen it all. Do you have any local tips?
Quite a few, and to find out more, I think there's a wonderful app called Locaso, and you can find more about it. I'm gonna share what I like in Goa, and maybe if you like it too, you could go and check those places. And I love my dog.
Oh, okay.
That's my mic. Okay.
Oh, how do we get to know the source? Like, can you just pass on some knowledge? Or maybe you can just pass on some
No,
number.
no, no.